Welcome back, dear children. So today we are going to solve some problems from lesson exponents. So let's start them. Find the value in each case. So here first question is 2 to the power x plus 2, which is equal to 256. Friends, here we need to find out the power, which is in terms of here x variable. So we will first find out how to solve such kind of questions. So you notice it here, whenever such situation is there where the variable x is given, whether in terms of power or varies in the term of base, so you need to find out what values will be there here so that it will be get equal bases. Like here it is in terms of base 2. So we will also try to convert this 256 and write it in terms of base 2 only. So we'll try it. Like for example, 2 to the power x plus 2 is here. So we will write down it 2 to the power x plus 2, which is equal to 256. I will try to write this 256 in terms of base 2. Like power of 2, we need to get it. So you can find out the factors of 256 using prime factorization and you will get it. I know this, that 256 is nothing but 2 to the power 8. When you multiply this 2 8 times by itself, you will get this 256. So I can write it 256 as a 2 to the power 8. So now notice here the bases are same on the both sides. Bases are same on both the sides, so you can equal it. When such a situation is there, when the bases are same on the both the sides, so you can equate the powers. Therefore, you can write x plus 2 is equal to 8. I can write like this, x plus 2 is equal to 8. So now I'll solve it. This equation, x is equal to plus 2, I will send it to the RHS. It will become minus of 2 and then I'll get a value of x is equal to 6. So in this way, I come to know the value of x is here 6. Means 6 plus 2 is again 8. That means 2 to the power 8 is what? 256. So you can find out the variable of unknown in a power by equating their powers when the bases are same. Now moving to the next question, x cube is equal to 729. So here I want to find out this what base power should be 3 so that it is 729. So I know that 729 is nothing but 9 into 9 into 9. When you multiply 9 3 times, it will get 729. 9 9s 81, 81 9s 729. So I can write on x cube is equal to 9's cube. So therefore, I can easily write down x is equal to 9. That means this x is what here? 9. Which means 9's cube is itself what? 729. Now we'll go for the another question here. Minus 6 to the power 5 into minus 6 to the power 3 minus m, which is equal to minus 6 to the power 3. So we need to find out this m factor. M here, m is unknown here. So one thing you notice here, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Bases are same. Means our half problem is already solved one. Now just check out. I can use this law here. A to the power m into a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, you can add this power. This side I am going to do that situation. So I am going to do here minus 6 to the power. I'll add this 5 plus 3 minus m, and which is equal to minus 6 cube. So friends, I'll do the addition and we can write it here. Minus 6 to the power 8 minus m, which is nothing but minus 6 cube. So friends, you can see here these bases are equal. I can equate the power. So I can write it 8 minus m is equal to 3. Powers I can equate like in this question. So minus m is equal to 3. This plus 8 it will go that side. We got minus 8 is equal to minus 5. One positive integer, one negative integer. Therefore, final answer m is equal to positive 5. We can cancel this minus from both sides. M is equal to what? 5. So now that next question is 49 into minus 7 to the power m, which is equal to minus 343. When you see such question, try to get it that we need to find out base here in terms of 7, because here it is 7. So we know that 49 is a 7 square, 343 is a 7 cube. So we will write down it. 49 is what? 7 square. So I will write down it here like, I'll change this question 7 square. But friends, here look at here it is minus 7. So I can also write here minus 7 square. No meaning is going to change, because minus 7 into minus 7, again you will reach to 49 only, into minus 7 to the power m, and here this is minus 7's cube. So this question we have altered and we have written in this format, which is normal. 49 I have written in minus 7 square, minus 7 to the power m as it is, and here minus 343 is nothing but minus 7's cube. Now again use this law, a to the power m into a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we'll write down here minus 7 2 plus m is equal to minus 7's cube. Now bases are same on both the sides, so you can write 2 plus m is equal to 3. So friends, here this 2 you need to send, m is equal to 3 minus 2, and finally we get m is equal to 1 in this case. So here m's value is what? 1. Now moving to the next problems, we are having 29 to the power 0 minus 23 to the power 0 into 16 to the power 0. We know that 0 exponent. We all know 0 exponent. 0 exponent suggests that any number to the power 0 is nothing but a 1. We have already seen in our last videos. So we'll just equate the values here. So I can write 29 to the power 0 means 1. 23 to the power 0 is again 1. Into 16 to the power 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1, friends, 0 into 1. Product of any number with 0. Final answer 0. So next we'll go here. 7 to the power 0 into 8 to the power 0 into 9 to the power 0. That means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. That is 1 itself. So now next question here. Minus 2 to the power 3 into 5 minus 4 minus 11. So first we'll go for 3 5s, that is 15 minus 4 minus 11. Let's perform subtraction here from the left hand side. 15 minus 4 is 11 minus 11. So 11 minus 11 again will reach to the 0. And as we know that 0 exponent, so minus 2 to the power 0 is 1. So now friends, we will solve these questions, that is of expand here. So we need to expand and write them again using exponents. So we will write down it here. So friends, we need to check out here unit place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we will write down in terms of first of all their places. 7 into, it is on which place, friends? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we'll write down that many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again we will write plus 8 into 1000, 10,000 plus 0 is there, friends. So 0 into 100 plus, we can write 9 into 10. 9 is on 10's place plus 3 is on 1's place. So friend, what is this? 10. We can write this in terms of power of 10. That is 7 into, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10 to the power 4 I can write. 10 to the power 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 4 times 10. Then next we'll write 8 into 10 to the power, here it is 3. Plus we will write 0 as it is, we can write, or you can write 0 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 to the power 1, and that is plus, finally we'll write this 3 into 1. So in this way we can expand it. It is 3 into 1, friends. Now next question again. Here you need 10, 100, 1000. So it is 4 on the thousands place. I can write 4 into 1000 plus this 9 is on hundreds place. So I can write 9 into 100 plus this 6 is on the tens place. So I'll write 6 into 10 plus this 3 is on the ones place. I'll write 3 into 1. Now write in terms of expanded form. That is 4 into this 1000. I can write 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10, which is nothing but 10's cube, plus 9 into 10's square. 100 is nothing but 10 square, plus 6 into 10 to the power 1, and finally 3 multiply by 1. Now friends, we will simplify these questions. So let's check out. We need to simplify here 3 square to the power 2 into 5 square divided by 9 square into 5. Friends, we can easily simplify them. Just you try to write them in terms of equal bases and then you can divide them. So here we need to know the laws, that is we have seen in the exponent. Power of power is here. So I can write on here 3 to the power 2, it is again there. So friends, you can write 3 power of power, that is 3 into 2 into 5 square divided by 9 square. Friends, 9 I can write 3 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Again the power is 2, so I will write it like this. So now here 3 to the power 3 2s are 6 is here, and here into the 5 to the power. Friends, just look at here. Here I can use the law. Here 2 is there and here is nothing that 1 is there. So 5 square divided by 5 to the power 1. I'll do the subtraction 2 minus 1. 2 factors are there and downside 1 factor is there, so we are going to cut it. And here 2 to the power 4. Why? Because power of power means you need to multiply the power. So we'll write it 3 to the power 6. And this 6 and this 4. Again we will do the subtraction. 6 factors are of 3 and the 4 factors are of 3, means we'll subtract 6 minus 4. And in here 2 minus 1 is 1. Or just simply you can write 5. So friends, what it is here? 3 to the power 2 into 5 only. 3 to the power 2 is nothing but 9. That is 3 into 3, 9 into 5. So final answer you get 9 5s are 45. So in this way we have simplified this and we have reached to 45. How we have reached to 45? By using the two laws. What we have done here? Here power of power is there, so we have multiplied the power, that is 3 2s we have written, and 5 square we have written as it is, and here 9 we have converted into the terms of base 3. Why? Because I can simplify them later on. So I wrote 9 as 3 square. I can write it, and the power 2 is already there, to write it. And here we have multiplied 3 2s are 6, that is 3 is power 6 into, here you observe bases are same and you can subtract in them powers in division. So here 2 factors of 5, here 1 factor of 5, so subtract it. Next here it is 3 base are same, so you can subtract 6 minus 4, that you will get 2, and then finally you have multiplied and reached to 45. Friends, now observe here. I am going to use your law a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m minus n when this m is greater than n. And one more law, I am having a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is equal to 1 upon a to the power n minus m when this m is less than n. So here you can observe 3 by 5 to the power 3 and 3 by 5 to the power 2. So you will use this law. And here 1 by 7 to the power 3 and divided by 1 by 7 to the power 4. So I am going to use this law. So we'll solve it. So we'll reach here 3 by 5. Here 3 minus 2 will get it. Multiply by. And here this power is smaller as in this situation. So we'll go for 1 upon 1 by 7 to the power 4 minus 3. So we'll get 3 by 5, 3 minus 2, that is 1, multiply by 1 upon 1 by 7 to the power, again 4 minus 3 is 1. So now friends, 3 by 5 to the power 1 is just 3 by 5. Multiply by. Now you can see this 1 by 7. If I want to take it to the numerator, it will become 7 by 1. This 1 by 7 will come here and it will become 7 by 1 because we are taking the reciprocal, because 1 divided by this is there. Now just multiply the numerator. You will get 3 sevens are 21 divided by 5 ones are 5. Again you can write in terms of mix, 5 fours are 20, 1 by 5. So this is a simplified form of this one, and we have used these two laws here at this moment. Now we'll reach to this problem, that is 12 to the power 4 into 9 cube, that is into 4 square, and then 6 to the power 3 and 8 to the power 2 and 27. So friends, we'll go for it. Now I can convert it to 12. I can write this 12 as a 6 2s are 12. So we'll try to write down it here. 12 I can write 6 2s are 12 to the power 4. And this 9 I am going to write in terms of 3. That is 3 is a square. And this 4 I can write as a 4. Otherwise you can convert it into 2's power, but now I will keep it at 4 only. Divided by this 6 cube I'll write. This 8 I can write 4 2's are 8 to the power 2. And this 27 is nothing but 3's cube. At this moment you see here I have changed this problem and written in this format. Why I am writing like such format? Because I need to simplify them. The question is about simplification only. So if I observe this 6 will go cut with this 6, this 4 will cut with this, and this 3 and this 3, means I want a situation where the bases if become equal, then I can use some laws and I can cut them. So you can use here 6 into 2 to the power 4. So this 4 power will go with this 6 also and with this 2 also. So I'll distribute the power 6 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. And here 3 to the power of power, I know what is power of power. A to the power m to the power n is nothing but a to the power m into n. So that is 3 2's are 6 I'll write, divided by 4. And here 6 cube. Again distribute this 2 power to both, 4 square into 2 square into 3's cube. So at this moment I have simplified almost maximum things. Now I just use the laws. Which laws? These two laws. So friends, I'll write down here this 6 to the power, here 4 powers are there, 4 factors of 6, and here 3. I'll write 4 minus 3. 4 factors of 6, and here 3 factors of 6. I'll write 4 minus 3 by using this law. Into. Now 2 to the power 4 and this 2 to the power 2. So I'll write 4 minus 2. This 4 minus this 2. You can check out, and you need to be very alert. When you're solving exponent, your eyes should be very sharp to see these things. And here 3 to the power 6 minus this 3 to the power, this 6 factors, and here 3 factors of 3 into. Now friends, check out. This is 1 4 here, and here 4 square is there. So I'll go for 1 upon 4 to the power. This 2 minus, here nothing but 1 is there. So 2 minus 1. So friends, now just check out here. 6 to the power 4 minus 3, here it is 1. If you want to write, otherwise leave it. Here 2 to the power 4 minus 2, 2. Here 3 to the power 6 minus 3 is what? 3. And here 1 upon just 4 to the power 1. So friends, you can now write down 6 multiply by this is 4 multiply by this is 27 divided by 4. 6 and here 2 to the power 2, that is 4, and 3's cube is 27 divided by 4. This 4 will cancel with this 4. So 6 multiplied by 27 will go for it. At this moment friends, you can see there we have just left with 6 multiplied by 27. So multiply it, 27 6 here you can get 162. So this simplification you have reached final to this 162. Just try to find out that how can we simplify them by writing them in terms of the bases which can later on you can use the laws here. Now friends, we'll see this question, that is minus 1 by 3 square to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1. So we'll first solve this inner bracket, that is minus 1 by 3 square. So what does it mean? That means minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, and having the power minus 2 to the power minus 1. So here that is 1 by 9 will get. Friends, it is 1 ones are 1, that is negative. Minus 1 2 times means it is 1, and to the power we are having minus 2, and that to the power we are having minus 1. Inside we have solved it, that is 1 by 9, and now power minus 2 into minus 1. Power of power, we know that a to the power m to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. So we'll solve it. 1 by 9 to the power minus 2 into minus 1. So 1 by 9, here 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is just nothing but a positive 2. So 1 by 9 2 times. So here 1 by 81. Here 1 ones are 1 and divided by 81 we'll get. Friends, now we'll see scientific notation. So just we need to imagine that when we are dealing with a larger numbers, so in such a case larger numbers it is very hard to deal with. Like we are discussing about the width of Milky Way galaxy from one edge to another edge. We are discussing about a lot of distance, maximum Earth's distance from the sun. So these numbers are very very large to handle with them. So we are having scientific notation. So if you see here, I have written some two, that same form of the two numbers. Here I have written in terms of a larger number, but here we have compacted in terms of scientific notation. So scientific notation is a way where we will write any number, larger number, in terms of two factors. The two factors is, one is in the power of 10 and another factor is the number between 1 to 10. So here we are having two factors. One is what? Power of 10, something value, and another number is between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. So between 1 and 10 and power of 10. So if you see here, I have written this number in terms of this. So what you have to do, for the first factor you need to move the decimal point to the left as many as places as it takes to a number between 1 and 10. Like for example, I want to write it is 1.5. So I'll move to the decimal starting from here to this left hand side. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to move decimal places here. B2. And these remaining places I'll write as a 10 to the power 8. How many places I'm going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 places I'm going. So I'll write 10 to the power 8. That is 10 times 8. So 1.52 into 10 to the power 8. These are the two factors which is called scientific notation. Here 10 to the power 8 is power of 10, and this is the number as in between 1 and 10. It should be between 1 and 10 only. Like for example, I'll go with the another number, and you must ensure that these are 8 places. Here it is 8 places, that's why I write 10 to the power 8. So for example, I am having this number 6. So if you want to write down this number, so I'll write 6 point something. That is, I'll write 6.0 into, that is I want to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write 10 to the power 7. So 6 into 10 to the power 7 is nothing but this number. Then again, for example, if I want to write down any other number, say 72. So if I want to write down this in a scientific notation, I'll move this decimal point between 7 and 2. So I'll write 7.2, and I'll move the decimal places to the left hand side, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 10 to the power 8, and then 7.2 into 10 to the power 8. These two are a similar way. Just one is the larger number, another way is a scientific notation which contain two factors. One is a power 10, another is between 1 and 10. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.